And then there's economic risk. So depending on the country, some countries where they have capital markets are riskier than others. When it comes to investing, I've noticed through my conversations that Canada and the US really seem to be, we're really comfortable with capital markets. We're comfortable with the stock market. Other places in the world aren't really. So when you are investing in those other regions, there are some risks of the unknown because they don't have as much of a developed system as us. The other place you want to avoid are any countries with corruption, because corruption will just destroy any good portfolios that you might have. They're for the very risky people. And for the sake of this presentation, this is for investors and for people who just really want to get, just get their life going and make sure that they've got investments that can take them through.